Today I am reviewing the ASUS Vivobook 14-14-inch FHD laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. For anyone balancing a busy schedule filled with college lectures, remote business meetings, or daily creative projects, finding a laptop that can truly keep up without draining your wallet is a massive challenge. You often have to choose between a heavy, clunky machine with great power or a highly portable notebook that slows down the moment you open more than a few browser tabs. Fortunately, the ASUS Vivobook 14 aims to completely shatter that compromise. It packs modern processing architecture, expansive memory, and robust everyday features into a beautifully slim and feather-light design. Whether you are crunching massive data spreadsheets for work, managing a heavy course load at university, or tackling intermediate video editing and content creation, this laptop promises to deliver a fluid, high-quality computing experience wherever your day takes you. Today, we are going to dive deep into exactly what makes this specific model a brilliant investment for productivity. To truly understand the value of this machine, we have to look under the hood at its advanced performance capabilities. This Vivobook is driven by the modern 10-core Intel Core i5-120U processor, which handles 12 simultaneous threads with absolute ease. This hybrid architecture intelligently splits the workload between dedicated performance cores that can turbo clock up to a blazing fast 5 GHz and highly efficient energy cores that handle your background tasks. What this means in the real world is that you get snappier application launches and seamless responsiveness, allowing you to run data-heavy applications or complex professional software without experiencing any frustrating slowdowns. Complementing this powerhouse processor is a massive 16 GB of high-speed DDR4 random access memory operating at 3200 MHz. Having this much memory is an absolute game-changer for professional workflows and intensive multitasking. It effectively eliminates performance lag, allowing you to seamlessly switch between dozens of open browser tabs, stream music, run background security apps, and manage massive spreadsheets all at the exact same time. For your files and archives, it comes equipped with a rapid 512 GB solid-state drive. This NVMe storage drive ensures that your system boots into Windows 11 in just a matter of seconds, while providing ample room to store high-resolution videos, large presentation decks, and critical projects for your career or studies. Your primary interaction with any laptop happens through the screen, and the visual experience on this model is genuinely excellent. It features a bright, 14-inch Full HD display with an optimal progressive scan resolution of 1920 by 1080. Built with an in-plane switching panel, this anti-glare LED screen offers magnificent clarity, vibrant color reproduction, and wide viewing angles. This makes it an exceptional visual workspace for compiling detailed business reports, organizing creative graphic designs, or reviewing long text documents in bed without straining your eyes. The screen layout is perfectly optimized for the modern interface of Windows 11, making it easier than ever to use smart window snapping to keep your school assignments and work files perfectly organized. In our increasingly digital world, communication and connectivity are absolute top priorities, and ASUS has outfitted this laptop with top-tier hardware to keep you effortlessly plugged in. It boasts cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth technology, which guarantees a rock-solid, high-speed wireless connection even when you are working on crowded campus networks or busy home networks. This ensures completely lag-free performance during critical video calls, online gaming sessions, or virtual lectures. For physical connections, the laptop features a highly versatile assortment of ports including high-speed USB-C, an HDMI output for external monitors or conference projectors, and a special 3-in-1 accessory hub that makes transferring heavy video files or connecting older office peripherals incredibly convenient. All of this hardware would mean very little if the machine was too heavy to carry around, but portability is actually one of this Vivobook's greatest strengths. Weighing in at a mere 3.09 pounds, this incredibly lightweight notebook slides effortlessly into any backpack or carry-on bag, making it the perfect companion for a long day on a university campus or an extended business trip. Even better, It packs a highly reliable battery that delivers up to 8 hours of continuous real-world use on a single charge. When you do eventually run low on juice, the laptop supports 45-watt fast charging, allowing you to quickly top off the battery during a short lunch break or a quick airport layover, so you can maintain uninterrupted productivity. To finish everything up, this ASUS Vivobook 14 is an absolute home run for students and professionals looking for a reliable, feature-rich daily driver. It successfully checks every single box, seamlessly blending the raw computing power of a 10-core Intel processor with a magnificent display, robust multitasking capabilities, and a highly portable chassis. Furthermore, useful additions like the clear front-facing camera with a built-in privacy shutter make it a natural fit for modern digital collaboration and remote hybrid work. If you want a dependable, modern computer that takes the stress out of your daily workload while providing exceptional overall value, this ASUS laptop is highly recommended and well worth adding to your setup.